Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel, Double Trouble Sisters. And today we're gonna be making magnetic slime. Okay, so let's get started and let's start opening this. Yeah,
I actually can't wait to open it.
yeah, it's exciting. We're gonna make magnetic slime.
I mean, we've never made magnetic slime.
Okay,
We got this stuff.
these are the ingredients. Oh wow.
They look weird.
Okay, so what do we?
Look
So.
cute.
We have to pour a bottle of magic glue into this empty. Okay, done. Now we have to pour. Okay, so now we're gonna get water. We're gonna put it in this. Okay, and we're gonna close it. And we're gonna shake it. And then put it in that. Okay.
Be careful. There's too much water.
What have to do next? Now we're gonna add
the powder.
Yep. Magnetic powder.
I hope
How much do we add? Little? Do we add all of it?
Yeah, add all of it. Add all of it.
Okay.
That looks so cool.
It looks so cool. Okay. Now mix it with this. You want to try?
Sure.
Okay. Go ahead.
You mix it for how much?
For like 1 minute. Add a little bit more activator.
So I can make the slime.
Okay.
It's dropping everywhere.
Okay. So yeah. It feels like
jiggly.
Oh my god. Oh, it's so sticky.
Fine.
We need to add more activators.
Yeah, I think we need more activator maybe then.
Guys, we should put it in this big glass because it's kind of old one, okay? I feel like I've added too much water in it.
Or maybe activator?
No.
Whoa, that was so cool.
Yeah, but it's still not ready yet.
I know.
Add more activator.
I hope it looks good.
I added all of the activator.
Oh.
I don't know what's gonna happen now. Okay, let's just keep on mixing.
Seriously. How should we
because
do
it's
that?
supposed to be magnetic slime. Okay guys, so I guess this is the final result. And even though, like, let's test it out. Okay. Let's just keep on mixing.
I want more slime.
Okay. These are the magnets, and yes, they are magnets. Let's test it out. Oh, it actually sticks.
So it's magnet?
Yeah, it is magnetic slime. But even though it is magnetic slime, it's really sticky. Oh my god, we made a big mess. Okay, okay guys.
Wait, what
so
is all
this
water
is the
for?
result, and we showed you that it does stick with the magnetic, and even though it is magnetic slime, it is really sticky. And it's back. Okay, bye bye guys. See you in the next video.
Yay.
Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Bye.